In this video, I'll show you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is go to our following page on Instagram, and we have to take advantage of these new feature that Instagram launched. It's not really that new, but it's really good for when you want to unfollow people, especially the people that you're not interacting as much with on Instagram. So right here, I'm in my following page. Instagram is showing me every single person that I follow, and you will see different categories. The first one is going to be the least interacted with. The second option is going to be the most shown accounts in your feed, and then creators and businesses. So I'm gonna go ahead and of course select least interacted with. And what you need to do is to start unfollowing everyone that you're not interacting with as much. Unfortunately, there is not a way to unfollow everyone in a single batch. Online, you're going to see different apps that are going to claim that they can unfollow every single account that you're currently followed, but I do not recommend you do that. In a lot of cases, those apps are going to take advantage of your personal information. And another thing is that Instagram will not let you unfollow more than 200 people per day. So the easiest thing for you to do would be to stop unfollowing all those people that you're currently not interacting with as much, and to continue doing the process and refreshing this page as many times as you are allowed to in a day. And that's it. I hope that helped.